Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today we are going with our next topic, that is your web hosting. And now we should know what is web hosting. Web hosting is nothing but it is a service that make your website available to the client on internet. Okay, and it is in the simple way. If you go with the simple way, what you understand about website, when you go with a website, what do you understand in that? You understand that is a website where you want whatever you want, you can get it. That is meant. That is also. So web hosting is what where you are putting where you are applying or putting your hosting your website on the server that it will be available for everyone to see. Okay, let me give you a in general what we understand with website are by the site which is viewed by everyone anytime anywhere. Okay, and there are, if you have seen, many of the companies are there who are doing online business, that they can do the online business until unless the website are hosted, that they are hosted. Let me show you, give you an example of Amazon, Flipkart, or eBay, or Quikr, or certain that your air tickets, that is we are having IRCTs. These are some of the website which is hosted so that it can be available for you for the service purpose. Okay, that is called as web hosting. And now in this web hosting, the main idea is that it should be available 24/7 anywhere, anytime. Okay, and here a web host provides space, means it will be providing a space on the server, means whichever you are run, it is providing a space for the server on the computers around the world. It will be available around the world at by the means of network and your modem. Any network it will be using, any modem it will be using. Okay, the company who specialize in web hosting so that the work can be given, it will be given to them so that the company can concentrate on their core business. If you have seen, if you have gone new product, let me give you an example of medicines. When we were buying in a local market, we can't do it. But when it is hosted, the medicine sites are hosted and they are supplying you, so they are having the main aim is that they should be gone to each and everyone. The service can be gone to each and everyone. So how it will become, until or unless they create a website and that website they host it on the server, until unless then they can will be available 24/7 all around the world. Next here, what we learn about is what is web hosting consist of. It will be consisting of email, the software which is used for hosting the website, the files which should be uploaded, and it will be consist of a protocol or the file transfer protocol, which is work is that to how to upload the files on the website. Then the which website we want to host, which where database should be there, which databases we are using, what servers we are using, and the backup and everything. Let me show you. If you're having an Android mobile, they're always having a backup on your mobile. If anything happened to your mobile, get crash, and if you go with a restore mode, it will be asking whether you want your backup, so you give it the how it's we want that. This is the main functions of the web hosting. Now we will going point by point of the features of web hosting. Email. What is email? It in accounts. It is users should have their own domain name. So for domain name, you should must have your email account. Until unless if you don't have an email account, you can't have the domain. And domain is nothing but you're purchasing a site for host. You're purchasing from the server to host your product or to host your website. That is why it's called as domain. And domain will be authorized until unless you are having a not having a fake account. Okay, then you're having a software. Which software you use to also hosting a website. Next is the file transfer protocol, already uploaded, where you upload your old files. Next, what we are having, that is you're having a website. Which type of website you want to know? Most probably websites are created with using Most of time website is created with the tools like Dreamweaver, Visual Studio, and there are two types of server, that is your client side and your server side, and that according to that your host the things are seen. Database, which maybe different database tools are available for to create a web hosting and so on. Next is your server. It means the two type of server. One is the local host, that is your mail. First, if you are making any website or anything, you first put it in your computer, that is called as a local host. When you want that site or website to be hosted to a server, then we go with the remote host. Then what we do, we will having an email account. In that email account, we will be purchasing a domain name for which we want to host a website, and then that things will be going to the remote host. Okay, next, types of web hosting, and the types of web hosting which we are going to learn is shared web hosting, next is free web hosting, and then dedicated hosting. Shared web hosting, in which you will be learning about what you will be learning about. Let me show you the shared web hosting. Shared hosting. Now here a diagram I have shown. This is a global server, and which the server is dedicated to each and every computer. Every computer can access it. Simple diagram is shown that in each one, all the website present on the server share the server. So this is type of web hosting we are having. Okay. Custom website. Customer, what it will do, website share the space on the same physical web server. With same server it will be taking, and the customer will be using it for this hosting the. Let me show you. It is also known as a budget hosting. Shared hosting is also known as a budget hosting. Okay, and the main thing, shared hosting is simple because it related to only one server, then and that server is taken for each and every one to host it. That is and here it is shared. As it is shared, you can share it because most probably very suitable for you for a small business purpose. Own domain name also can be given, but the main purpose has this server is only a this server is taken in one, and many others are using this server for their purpose. Then there will be a security risk also here. Okay, and access of the same database also is the main problem of shared hosting. Next, what we are having, next slide, what we are having here is free hosting. And what is a free hosting? For here it is given as free web hosting can be a good choice when you just want to build a non-critical website just for a fun. For example, you want to build your blogs or something. Then this type of hosting is good for you. But on sometimes it happens that by making this type of hosting, free hosting, what happens? It will start asking the customer to buy certain domain name, and so that provides subdomain name and free banner ad can be seen frequently. If you have seen, let me give you a simple example of any of the site, which is when we are uploading and that site is free host. You just open it, again and again the ads and banners are coming up, and this happens in free hosting because here anyone can host this site and things. But at a certain times it will be then that after 30 days or certain trial period, the free hosting will be stopped, as as they want, you should pay for it. Okay, this is called as the free hosting. Next, we will be having our dedicated server hosting. And what is a dedicated server? Dedicated means one person at a one server. It is means one person at a one server. That is one host at a one server is called as dedicated server. So simple example, every website gets a server of its own, means one server and one hoster. So everyone will be having only one and one server itself. It means there will not be a that the one server and many of the people are attaching. It means one by one, 1:1 ratio will be done here. And as it is having, it will be most probably seen in the global market or in the big business mode, or if you're having the suitable for large business, then it will be suitable for that dedicated web hosting. Okay, and here the database are very powerful and has its support. Email support is there. Anything happens, any crashing is there, it will be supporting the data. The database is supported with a good cloud computing and other things. Unlimited software is available here. Service are very nicely has to and access to multiple domains. You can access means one server at a time, means if you want for the domain is nothing but a name for which you want to host your website. They will be for organizing, you want to host a website. They will be the for commercial, you want to host the web. There sometimes it's having that for school purpose, you want to host the website. This is some of the domain. Let me give you some .org, .com, .co, .in. These are the server, that is the domain name given to it. So that .in indicate India. We have seen Amazon.in, means Amazon is available to the server, to the domain name India, means India having that availability. So the has Amazon is organization is not a, it is a commercial, then sometime it having a commercial.com. Okay, and next the main problems here is completely, because we have to be seeing each and every, we should be accessible to each and everything, because as it is for a wide business, so the expensive is very high for the software and hardware also, and for your updation every time you will be updating it up, require high skills of working. So you should be dedicated to it to host the server. As if you are having a high means, as it is inquired to one person, one to one means it is consists of one server to a one host. So it will be the one to one relation to each and everything. You should be seen by yourself, and they will be helping you up. Some host certain problem will be there, it will be detected to you, and so on. This is your how the hosting work. So you should understand that what is the type, what is hosting, and most probably there are many server options are there. The two web server platforms are there, which is one, that is the Linux. We are having the web server platform and the Windows, and these Linux and Windows platform are used. There are certain scripts are there which are using for both the side, client side and the server side. And client side we will be using a Python, PHP and other things. Okay, in the server side. And the client side, many of the thing is that your now JavaScript is there, certain these type of VB scripts are there. This is the certain database which we are using here, which we are using in web hosting is MySQL, PostgreSQL and so on. So I hope you are able to understand what is hosting, and most probably you should understand the main thing. Main three things you should understand. There are three type of hosting we have to learn. That is the shared web hosting, free hosting and dedicated. And each of them are different from each other. Shared means here only one server and many are there for hosting. Your free hosting is where you just for fun you are using it. That is dedicated hosting, one to one relation means one server and one host. That's the relation with the types of hosting. So you are able to understand this clip will be very nicely make you to understand how it is hosting. Now see, a simple server is there and many of them are hosted together. Okay, that is Let me give you a simple example of your share it on your mobile. What you do, you open the share it, whoever comes in between your location, and you share with them the things. This is one of the type of when you are the server and you are giving the access to everyone to get in. Until you give the access, they will not be. A simple thing I will be giving one of the example, that you are having hotspot. But until you give the access, it will not be accessing, that you are sharing it. That is called as shared hosting. Simple example I am making for you to understand it. Free hosting, I already told you, it's for just sometime you want to create a blog, sometime you want to create a simple website for fun and other things. That's all. Dedicated already for large business purpose. Most probably you have seen many things are going on. Large business, stock market is there, they are hosting different type of stock. They are one-to-one relation, LIC business hai, or otherwise you see top companies are there which are getting or having a dedicated server hosting. Has they have a two, whatever information they, it should be safe and sound. That's why it is having a dedicated server, one-to-one relation server. Thank you for watching my channel videos. Please subscribe my channel so that it will be able to understand you all the things that you are knowing about it. Any problem is there, please comment me on my channels. Okay, Jazakallah khair. Ameen.